Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A5 versus the BMW E92. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. Consider the driving experience each vehicle offers, from daily commutes to spirited drives. Think about your priorities: comfort, performance, or a blend of both. Let's dive into the specifics of these two popular luxury coupes. When it comes to performance, the BMW E92 often delivers a more raw and engaging driving experience. Its rear-wheel drive architecture and precise steering appeal to enthusiasts. The Audi A5, with its quattro all-wheel drive, offers superior grip and stability, especially in adverse weather. Both cars provide ample power, but their delivery and feel behind the wheel differ significantly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car comparisons. And on another note, if you're into meal prepping, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They make organizing your meals super easy and keep everything fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Stepping inside, the Audi A5 typically boasts a more contemporary and luxurious cabin. Its high-quality materials and sophisticated design create a refined atmosphere. The BMW E92, while still premium, has a more functional and driver-centric layout. Both vehicles offer comfortable front seats and a good array of technology, though the Audi often feels a bit more modern. Regarding reliability and ownership, both the Audi A5 and BMW E92 are well-engineered vehicles. However, like all luxury cars, they require consistent maintenance to perform their best. It's wise to research common issues for specific engine types you're considering. Expect higher costs for parts and specialized labor compared to mainstream vehicles. Regular servicing is key to a positive ownership experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.